Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, SushiSwap. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market. SushiSwap is up more than 24% in the last 1 month. So what's the realistic price expectation for SushiSwap in 2023? How high do we think SushiSwap can pump in 2023? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the SushiSwap US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at critical levels where SushiSwap might face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices in 2023. Is it possible for SushiSwap to get to new all-time highs before the end of the year? Is the bottom in for SushiSwap? If the bottom is not in, how low can SushiSwap go before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
SushiSwap is currently up 15.1% in the first week of 2023. We have also seen it rally up 24% in the first month of 2023. So even though all coins are down on a yearly time frame, even though SushiSwap has lost more than 71% of its value in the last 1 year, we have started 2023 on a very bright note and all coins are pumping to higher prices. The altcoin market is seeing a huge pump in 2023. How high do we expect SushiSwap to go before the end of the year? Which levels will SushiSwap face resistance? And if the bottom is not in, how low can we go if we get that one final dump to Gobbling Town? Critical levels you want to pay attention to for SushiSwap in this bear market. The first level is the lowest we have seen it gone since when we started dumping to Gobbling Town. That's around the $0.86 region. We saw SushiSwap getting to that level in June 2022. Since then, SushiSwap has been going sideways. Even though we have not gone lower than the $0.86 level, guys, there's always a possibility that we can continue dumping to Gobbling Town. 2023 is going to be the great year of accumulation. 2023 will be the best time to buy all coins, getting ready for the next bull run. But guys, it's not going to be straightforward because the bear market is always very, very tricky. Like now, we already started the year on a very bright note, seeing all coins pumping to higher prices to get a lot of people distracted from the main goal, which is the end of the next bull run. We're still deep down in Gobbling Town on a yearly time frame. You want to be careful with all coins. You don't want to be FOMO into them because we're seeing them pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. We can easily see sentiments in the market change if we see a huge dump to the downside, and that's why you want to pay attention to the $0.86 level for SushiSwap, because if we lose that level, if we start dumping to Gobbling Town, the last level where SushiSwap hopefully will find support will be around the $0.47 region, and that's the lowest we've ever seen SushiSwap trading, and that happened in November 2020. Now, all coins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. We saw that with SushiSwap. After this altcoin was launched in August 2020, we saw it dumping to Gobbling Town, losing 95% of its value, dropping to as low as the $0.47 region. But after it got down to that level, we saw it have an aggressive pump to the upside where SushiSwap rallied from the $0.47 region, pumping to a new all-time highs when it got above $23. In total, we saw SushiSwap go up more than 4,900%. And that's why people like altcoins, because they can pump to the moon, but the downside is that they can dump to Gobbling Town. And in SushiSwap first bear market, we have seen it lose more than 96% of its value. If SushiSwap gets to that $0.47 region, SushiSwap will be down 97.98% from its all-time high. But if we continue rallying up to higher prices, as we have seen altcoins do in the start of 2023, SushiSwap might start facing some heavy resistance when we see it trading above the $1.8 region. Currently, SushiSwap is currently trading above $1.26. And in the last 1 year, we have seen SushiSwap gone from as high as $6.58 to as low as $0.86. If SushiSwap gets to that $1.8 region, we might get rejected just like we did in November 2022. But if we're lucky this time and we continue pumping to higher prices, the next level where we might see SushiSwap get rejected or face some resistance of sort will be around the $2.8 region. From where we're currently trading right now, for SushiSwap to rally up that high, we have to see this altcoin go from $1.25 to $2.82. That would mean a 128% pump to the upside. Now, if SushiSwap can go above $2.8 and we continue rallying up to higher prices Another level where I'll be paying keen attention to for SushiSwap will be around the $4.89 region. We saw SushiSwap having some huge reactions to that level before we continue dumping to Goblin Town. In late 2021, we saw SushiSwap finding a base around the $4.8 region, and that took us to a rally that took SushiSwap to as high as $10. After that, we started dumping to Goblin Town, and SushiSwap tried 2 different times to go above that $4.8 region, and both times we got rejected at that level. And I'll be shocked to see that will be the end of the relief rally we see for SushiSwap in 2023. That's SushiSwap pumping to as high as the $4.89 region. That will mean SushiSwap will rally 280% from where we're currently trading, and throughout the relief rally, SushiSwap would have gone up more than 450%. Even though I don't think we'll see SushiSwap setting new all-time highs in 2023, I believe 2023 will be the year to get ready for the next bull run. So you want to be accumulating deep in Goblin Town where all coins are dumping. And if you see SushiSwap dropping below the $0.86 region, that should be music to your ears, because by the end of the next bull run, I see SushiSwap pumping to new all-time highs, blasting above the $23 region where we got stopped out in 2021. We might even see SushiSwap get to as high as $97 by the end of the next bull run. But if you want to participate in that pump, you want to be willing to invest deep in the bear market where you get your next 10x, your next 20x, even your next 100x coins. If you take a look at details about SushiSwap, it currently has a market cap of $279 million, and SushiSwap has a fully diluted market cap of $314 million. With a total value clocked of $453 million, SushiSwap has a maximum supply of 250 million tokens. Out of those 250 million tokens, we have 222 million Sushi tokens in circulation. SushiSwap is currently ranked 109 on CoinMarketCap, with over 378,000 people having SushiSwap on their watch list. SushiSwap is an example of an automated market maker, an increasingly popular tool among cryptocurrency users. AMMs are centralized exchanges. We use this smart contract to create markets for any given pair of tokens. Where can you buy some SushiSwap tokens if you want to get some in the bear market? As we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Coinbase, on Bitfinex, on Kraken, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at SushiSwap performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have seen it dump to Goblin Town in the bear market, but since June 2022, we have seen SushiSwap holding its own against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We saw SushiSwap rally up against Bitcoin more than 1,500% in the bull market. Right now in the bear market, we're seeing it dumping to Goblin Town. We have seen SushiSwap lose more than 92.2% of its value. We're still holding those lows we set in June 2022, but there's always a possibility that at some point in time in 2023, we'll see SushiSwap dump to Goblin Town against Bitcoin and probably set new all-time lows. And if you take a look at SushiSwap performance against Ethereum, we're still holding the lows too we set in June 2022. Those lows were new all-time lows. And right now, SushiSwap is still trading above those lows. We might see SushiSwap at some point in time come to test that level in the bear market. But with SushiSwap rallying up to higher prices in 2023, I will not expect it to do anything crazy against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We might just see it rally up an additional 50%. If we're lucky, maybe a 200% pump to the upside. But ultimately, all coins are volatile in the bear market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of market participants have seen their altcoins dump to Goblin Town in 2022. They have seen their altcoins, just like SushiSwap, lose more than 71% of its value in the last 1 year. So even though we're rallying the altcoin market, even though we're seeing total crypto market go up into the moon, guys, any dump to the downside will lead people selling their altcoins for some Bitcoin and some Ethereum, because when people are scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and it's Ethereum. So you want to be careful with all coins in the bear market. If you take a look at SushiSwap market cap, we've seen it rally up to $279 million. At the top of the bull run, SushiSwap had a market cap of over $3 billion. Now, there's always a possibility that the bottom is not in for SushiSwap in this bear market. We might still see SushiSwap market cap go below that $100 million region where we got to in June 2022. And if we see that happening, SushiSwap market cap might find support maybe at the $70 million region. But if we continue rallying up to higher prices, key levels to pay attention to for SushiSwap in 2023 include, first, the $300 million region. We might see SushiSwap get rejected at that level. But if we continue pumping to higher prices, other key levels where SushiSwap might face some heavy resistance might be around the $600 million region. And maybe just maybe we'll be lucky in 2023. Maybe just maybe we might see SushiSwap rally up to that $1 billion region. Even though I doubt we might get that high in 2023. From where we're currently trading, that will require SushiSwap to rally up 265%. And what will happen to the price of SushiSwap if we see it rallying up 265% from where we're currently trading? That will carry the price of SushiSwap up to around $4.5. And funny enough, there's a very strong resistance level at that price point. So we're going to see whether SushiSwap will get that high in 2023. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see SushiSwap going in 2023? Do you think the bottom is in for SushiSwap? Are we going to set new all-time lows before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.